Hello everyone, my name is Diego. I'm 25 years old, I'm Mexican, and this is my video response to Franklin's video titled Latinos 2012. I wanted to say that this video definitely caught my attention because I get the stereotype of Latinos not being educated, Latinos not having a brain all the time. And I want to tell you all that that is not true. There definitely are educated Latinos out there. I'm one of them. I have spent almost all of my life in school educating myself in various different topics, and I have a very strong science background. That's where my field is. And you know, I went to undergrad. My major was biochemistry. I graduated about 4 years ago, and then I proceeded to go to graduate school as a pharmacy student. So I am currently working on my doctorate in pharmacy, and so I know that there is nothing that can really stop us. Like, we have everything. We can do anything. It's just, I feel like a mental thing. It's not that we cannot do it, it's just that there are a lot of obstacles and lack of resources that don't allow us to, you know, succeed the way that we want to. I want to also say that it's definitely possible for you to succeed, to be a very successful person, get your education and know what you're doing, and still keep your background, know where you come from. It's entirely possible. Like, for example, me, in undergrad, I did ballet folklorico. I learned all the dances of Mexico and of all the regions. I learned all kinds of things about where I come from. I also did Aztec dancing, and you know, I just took a lot of classes about my background and where I come from, because I do believe that it is important. So, hey, here I am. It's entirely possible. So this is just a response to let all of you all know that yes, we're here and there's nothing that can stop us.